everyone, in this video we will talk about the general concept of the SHOT and SHOTs group algorithms. We will set them up, run them, and show an example of how they work. This algorithm is designed for its users to profit from sudden price movements. You will be able to see sudden ups and downs on the tick chart, while the general trend continues according to the set trend. Let's take a look at an example. You can add a new algorithm by clicking the Add New button in the Algorithms tab. You can choose between the SHOT and SHOTs group algorithms. The first one runs the algorithm on a single trading pair, while the second one runs several trading pairs or the entire market. Let's take a look at the SHOTs group algorithm. Info allows you to add a description to identify the algorithm in a full list of algorithms. Auto Start allows you to choose whether the algorithm starts automatically after the core starts. Auto Restart allows you to decide whether to allow the algorithm logic to run automatically if a previously placed order has been executed, thereby placing a new order. Restart Delay sets the delay in seconds. The algorithm will place a new order after the specified number of seconds, after the execution of the previous order. Max Trade Latency stops the algorithm and cancels its orders if the delay in data transfer between the core and Binance exceeds this value, specified in seconds. It is not recommended not to exceed 1 second. Exchange Type allows the user to choose from currently supported exchanges, currently only Binance. Market Type allows the user to choose market type, spot, margin, futures or quarterly market. Quota Set. This is the quota set, for example, Bitcoin or Tether. If you want to trade the whole market to Tether currency, specify USDT. Whitelist allows the user to use a specific list of pairs on the specified market that will be used exclusively for trading. Blacklist: if you trade the whole market but do not want to trade on certain currency pairs, you should specify their name in this field. Coin Delta Filter. This parameter allows you to set the minimum and maximum delta based on the selected interval in the time frame parameter. In case the volatility of the selected pairs is less or more than the value set in this field, the algorithm will not work and orders will not be placed. Quota Set Volume. In this field, we can set the minimum and maximum trading volume of the selected trading pairs for 24 hours. If the volume of the selected trading pair is less or more than the value set in this field, the algorithm will not work and the orders will not be placed. Bitcoin Delta Filter. This works similar to the Coin Delta Filter, but only on Bitcoin. It is needed to enter or exit trades when Bitcoin price changes, as most coins follow its movements. Algorithm parameters allow you to set your parameters for an order. Distance determines how far from current price in percentage an order should be placed by the algorithm. Buffer is the area where the price is changing freely without causing any changes in the order position, placed by the algorithm. It's also set in percentage of the current price and divided by 2, which means that half of the set value will be upper buffer zone above the price and half will be the lower buffer zone below the price. Follow price delay is the period of time in seconds during which the algorithm will delay the movement of the catching up order. If the price goes down, the catch-up order is up or sell. If the price goes up, the catch-up order becomes lower, buy. In data source, you can choose ticker price or trades data. Ticker source mode gives you an opportunity to work on many markets simultaneously without overloading the server, but it's not recommended for use in algorithms with a distance of less than 1%. In the side line, you specify the order side, buy or sell. In the order type line, you specify the order type. Stop price sets a certain distance from the price level at which the stop limit order is placed. In the order size line, we specify the size of the order. Take profit enables automatic take profit placement after the initial order is executed. In the percentage line, you set the distance from the price at which the order was executed to take profit order in percent. In the order type line, we choose take profit order type, limit or market. In the status line, we choose the order execution type. Take profit real is placed only on the exchange, or virtual placed in your client and no only to the core. If you are going to use take profit auto price down, then you put a tick on auto price down option. In the timer line, we set the delay in seconds till take profit goes down to the current price. This value will be used for the first step and for all following steps. Step says the percentage value of the step by which take profit is approaching the initial price. Limit says the lowest limit as a percentage of the initial order to which take profit will decrease and stop. Stop loss enables automatic placement of a stop loss order after the original order has been executed. Percentage says the distance from the price at which the order was executed to stop loss. Spread allows the user to set the distance from the current price, which will determine where the stop loss will be placed once the price crosses the stop trigger. In the delay line, we specify the delay for setting a stop loss in seconds after the order execution. Below, we choose the order type and its status. Trailing stop sets the stop loss order to follow the price. Spread, this is the value in percentage of price movement in the opposite direction from the initial price, at which stop loss will follow the current price by the specified distance in stop loss percentage. Also, you can send your algorithms from profile to profile. To copy your algorithm, press Copy Algorithm Definition to Clipboard button. Then, on your other profile, press Add New button, paste from clipboard and paste. Or you can send it as a text message to someone else. And now, let's take a look at an example of the shots group algorithm. For example, we need to catch 1% shots on the entire market. Let's set it up. Let's name it, for example, All Test and specify the order type, in this case, Buy. Then select the market we need, for example, futures. We will trade the entire market to Tether. We don't need whitelist because we want to trade the whole market, but we can add coins to the blacklist, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. We will not use filters, but you can use them to remove low volatility markets, for example. Then we proceed to setting orders. In order to catch shots of 1%, we specify a distance of 1.25 with a buffer 0.5. Since we trade on the whole market and we have a distance of 1%, we will use ticker price to reduce load on the server. Then we choose a buy order and specify its size. Let's not be greedy and indicate take profit 0.2. Stop loss is gonna be 2%. Now we clone this algorithm to set the sell order. And now let's start our algorithms, and a little bit later we will take a look at the result. Let's look at the last closed order. We see the buy order, this is the green line, and sell order, the red line. White line is the buffer line. On chart it is not displayed, we drew it for clarity. In these places, orders were moved as the price went beyond the buffer. Here we see that the sell order was moved as the price went beyond the upper buffer, but the buy order is not moved as we have a follow price delay. Further, after a short flat, there was a shot which reached our order. This is the moment when the position opened, marked with a red dot, and closing the position by take profit, marked with a blue dot. And since we have a delay in placing a new order, after 30 seconds a new sell order is put out. Hope this video will help you to understand the principle of short algorithms. For more information, please visit docs section on our website. Bye!